Today I will solve the another question from fluid mechanics. Okay, the question is on the screen. A hollow spherical ball of radius 20 centimeter floats in still water with half of its volume submerged, taking the density of water as 1000 kilogram per meter cube and the acceleration due to gravity as 10 meter per second square. The natural frequency of small oscillations of the ball normal to the water surface is radian per second. So in this question we have to calculate the or we have to find the natural frequency of small oscillations of the ball. So this is the spherical ball which is submerged in the water. Okay, half of its volume is submerged inside the fluid. So for floating for floating body, weight W is equal to buoyancy force. Okay, weight of the body will be equal to buoyancy force, so you can say weight will be equal to mass of the ball into g will be equal to buoyancy force. Buoyancy force means density of fluid and volume of the submerged body. As half of volume is submerged inside the water, so it will be equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube and g. So finally mass of the ball will be equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube into rho f. So this is the our equation. First, mass of the ball is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube into rho f. Now we are dipping this body by the distance x inside the water, so there will be some small oscillation in the ball. Okay, so there will be unbalanced buoyancy force applied on the body, and in this condition the buoyancy force will increase. Okay, because we are dipping this body inside the water, so buoyancy force will increase, and the sum area of this body will be submerged inside the water. So this area will create some volume inside the water. So in this condition FB, buoyancy force, will be equal to rho F into pi r square into x. This is the area of submerged body, because this area will create a volume inside the inside the water, and this will be the volume of a cylinder. So neglecting curvature of this cylinder neglecting curvatures of this cylinder for small oscillation, so the volume of this cylinder will be equal to pi r square into x and g. Okay, so this unbalanced force will be equal to minus m into acceleration. Okay, this is minus ma. A is x double dot, x double dot is acceleration. So this is the equation second. So from equations first and second, we get rho f into pi r square x into g is equal to minus m. M is 2 by 3 pi r cube into rho f, pi r cube into rho f and x double dot, and this is of minus. Okay, Now rho f will be cancelled out, pi will be cancelled out, r square will be cancelled out. So remaining equation is g into x plus 2 by 3 r x double dot is equal to 0, or this will be equal to x double dot plus 3 by 2 g into x is equal to 0. So this is the equation of SHM, but we are having standard equation of SHM. Standard equation of SHM, x double dot plus omega n square into x is equal to 0. So this is the equation third and this is the equation fourth. So comparing now, comparing equations third and fourth, we left with omega n square is equal to 3 by 2 g. Okay, and one term is missing here, which is capital R. So capital R will be here. Okay, so now omega n square will be equal to 3 by 2 and into what, g upon r, or you can say omega n is equal to 3g upon 2r, and this is root of. Now omega n is equal to 3 into g is 10 upon 2 into r is equal to 20 centimeter, or you can say it will be equal to 0.20 meter. So finally this will be equal to root of 75, or you can say this will be equal to 8.66 radian per second. So finally omega n is equal to 8.66 radian per second. Okay, this is the our answer.